Alright guys, so we're here back at Cabinets Quick, doing another video about our newest doors with this aluminum inlay. In a previous video I showed some of the different colors. So you see pewter, you see black, you see gold, and there's going to be one more other color that I don't have ready right now. But in today's video I wanted to talk about what you can expect to get when you get a door like this. So because this is aluminum and we do hand cut it, the joints are going to be having some slight variation. Because aluminum is aluminum, we cut it tight, but as you can see, luckily we were able to get this joint tight. But on this door, you can see there's going to be a little bit of gap. Now, the gaps are within tolerance as long as they're within a 32nd to a 16th in width. So a lot of people don't know that woodworking tolerances is 1/16 tolerance. So this is within tolerance, especially for woodworking. For metalworking, the tolerance is different, but this is a wood inlay door. So here's kind of what you can expect to get for the doors. And in terms of the fit, the aluminum is slightly below the edge here. So when you run your finger here, you'll see a little lip. But actually that's a good thing because you would want some reveals happening here to accommodate for any material variation. So there's a little bit of lip here to accommodate the material variation. And we use some special glue to make sure it's glued in and it doesn't fall out. So it should last you a while. Now, the thing about aluminum and wood is there's a concept called dissimilar materials. So when this door is in sun, the aluminum will grow because of the heat faster than the wood. So there'll be a little bit of growing and shrinking over time, and you may expect to have some pieces maybe potentially get loose because of the growing and shrinking. The adhesive is designed to grow and shrink, but everything has its lifespan and tolerance. So that is not a fail of the door, it's just how the materials react with different temperatures and different glues. But the doors will last, a lifetime within 5 to 10 years, which is what we consider the lifetime of a door. And we just kind of wanted to show and set expectations of what happens and what you will receive. And then in future videos, I'll show an inlay door. But if you found this helpful or informative, please give me a like or a share or even subscribe. That would really help us out. And we'll see you in the next video.